Tamara White, and I'm in the dental assisting program. I really enjoyed the hands-on experience that the school offers. A lot of the teachers are really helpful, not just about like school related. You can literally come to them about anything, which I wanted to try something different. I'm usually in nursing homes, hospitals, and stuff like that. So I was like, let me try something different. I would say just to help people in a different way.
Okay.
Like a different scene, a different, because oral is a lot different than being a CNA. So it's just a lot different. Well, first and foremost, you gotta show up. You gotta show up and be on time. Have the determination that you want to finish, you wanna get good grades, you wanna succeed, and that you overall wanna do it. Be my kids, and then myself separately, because I want to give them something to, look up to. Like, you can do it. Mommy's not straight out of high school, but she still went back to school. She's in school. She's reaching for her dreams. So I want to give them something to really look at when they're older and out of high school. That, you can wait, or you can go back to school. Your dreams can be met. I picture myself being like that dental assistant that is making a change for people, really.